Hey everyone, I'm sure you know that BNSF 1458 made a video looking at WDTX 1402's edits, and well, am pretty much bored. So I'm going to do my own version today, and this video was pretty much inspired by his. So enjoy, and here we go. Okay, first off, what is this? And, what am I looking at? I really think this is just a cab car. Okay, this one's decent, I guess. But, I don't like it. Honestly, just get rid of it. Honestly, this isn't too bad, I guess. It actually is pretty cool. No. Honestly, this is actually really cool. I wish it was real, to be honest. It's okay, I guess. Southern Pacific 4449 if it was chassis system. Honestly, real. Can we put this on an ACS 64, please? If VRL was electrified. No! You know, this may actually become a thing in the future, to be honest. I like it. Please, Amtrak, for our sanity and all the rail fans, please make this be real. Hey, BNSF, you probably should take notes on this one. Oh, nah. What is this? I hate to say it, but when I first saw this, I actually thought it was real. If only New Jersey Transit had made this one. Respectfully, just get out. Okay. Metro, I hope you never do this in real life, because if you do, I will never rail fan you. Can we just stop Metro altogether from making it have its scheme on British locomotives? Honestly, Phase 6 on a HHPA looks kinda cool.
The Milwaukee Road.
Nope. Burn it. The SC44 if it was made by Alstom. Honestly, I do like this. Please make this real. Okay, I'm done. This is the most cursed thing I've ever looked at. Get out. See you later. Get out! Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is inspired by BNSF 1458's version. Hope you like some of my reactions to the images you see in the video. But anyways, that is all from me for tonight. The link to my Instagram, WDTX 1402's Instagram, and BNSF 1458's video will be posted in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video. Good night.